Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapter 3 course of Vit-Ap University. And we'll take a look at a Java topic today. It is very easy Java topic today. We are gonna look around. It is a function of string which is dot starts with. It is a function of string. It just checks whether our string starts with some particular parameter or not. It is very simple. So I'll just head on straight with an example because it doesn't need very much of understanding and it is kind of easy topic. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just create a string. So let's say string C and it is I love Java. Let's say hello, I love Java. So this is our string. So what I'll do, I'll just create one more variable, let's say v, and it just returns true or false. So the data type of it will be boolean, and let's say it is v. I'm just creating a variable v, and what it does, it just stores the value if. Okay, I'll just first write down c dot c. What we does, we just stores the result of c dot starts with hello. It just stores whether that string c does it starts with hello. It just stores true or false. So we just print it out and look at the result. You know, see, it is returning true because our string it starts with hello. And yeah, it is case sensitive. If we do small h instead of capital H, it will return false. You may say it is returning false. So it is kind of simple. And yeah, it doesn't consider white spaces. If we just add white space here and show it like this, then also it will return false. So I hope it is clear to you guys. And let's say I'm just let's check something over this. It is only one string and let's say we are doing just small thing. So you try to figure out what should be the output. Like it is not very difficult, it is kind of easy topic. So you have 5 seconds to pause the video and answer in the comment section. Okay, we take a look at the output. It is returning true as our string starts with C, small c. If we just add capital space and just write let's see for then also it should return true because it just checks whether the look at the index of c, it is 0. So what it does, it just gives some positions to all its strings, all the members of the string. So it will start with C, S, I, and then blank space. So it will go, the position of C is 0, the position of S is 1, I is 2, and this blank space it is 4. So it is 3. So what it will do, it will just check for the index 0 to 3 in the string C. So in this case, it will just check up to here. It won't consider this V code. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. You can also rewind the video, take another look at it. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.